Hello friends. In this video, I want to show you how a leak occurs in toilets with a horizontal outlet. And how can this breakdown be eliminated? It is noticeable that it was flowing for a long time, and even turned green. Thank you friends for visiting our channel and subscribing to it. Flowed because there was no sealant. We wash everything and prepare the silicone. The task is well and tightly apply silicone sealant to each joint. Believe me, after such a repair you will have everything reliably and nothing will leak. All the best and see you next video.